In this video, let's talk about our Land Rover wheel spacers safe.
To tell the truth, Land Rover wheel spacers are exactly safe. They are mechanical components that push your wheels away from the vehicle's original hub. The vehicle's wheels are actually fastened to the corresponding wheel hub by a clamping force, achieved by tightening the wheel stud of each wheel. All forces are transmitted through each vehicle hubs and its corresponding hub assembly. Therefore, the weight of the vehicle is not placed on any Land Rover wheel spacers that are installed. Whether it is Defender, Range Rover, or Discovery, half-century Land Rover wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, half-century wheel spacers are designed with a half-century ring in the center that fits perfectly on the hub assembly and the wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the lug bolt can hold it flush against the mounting plate. This Land Rover wheel spacers allows the wheel to better support the weight of the vehicle and fill the gap for a tight fit, providing the minimum change of vibration. Quality Land Rover wheel spacers provide distinct performance advantages. Many Land Rover wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy, but remember that forged ones are always better than cast ones. Compared to traditional steel spacers, forged aluminum Land Rover wheel spacers are much stronger, as well as provide a longer service life. Selecting the best Land Rover wheel spacers ensures safety, and it almost always saves money in routine maintenance. BONOSS forged multi-stage half-century Land Rover wheel spacers are considered safer and more reliable. The half-century middle ring is machined in a multi-layers process, and the chamfers match the corresponding hub flange, eliminating any possible gaps. The machining accuracy of 0.02 mm ensures a high-quality surface. The higher the accuracy of the contact surface, the better the fit of the Land Rover wheel spacers, and the safer your driving will be. Thus, BONOSS forged multi-stage half-century Land Rover wheel spacers will effectively reduce the change of vibration and keep your wheels safe all the way. In addition, BONOSS FT cooling Land Rover wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distributed in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of effectively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of Land Rover wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Also, BONOSS forged FT cooling Land Rover wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drivers peace of mind.
If you want to get the BONOSS wheel spacers for your car, please make sure to see the link in the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.